Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the app has the right packages and permissions. Add Flutter app badger or badges to PubSpec. YAML and run Flutter pubget. On Android, add receive and post notifications entries in Android manifest. On iOS, enable push and add the proper entitlements. Once done, wire up local notification or Firebase messaging so badge counts can be set by code. You do this first, because without permissions and a library, you cannot reliably control the home screen badge. Now you implement the logic that updates the icon. Create a single source of truth for badge count in a provider or block so updates are atomic. When a message arrives or user action changes the count, call the package API to set or remove the badge. For example, set application badge number on iOS or Flutter app badger. Update badge on Android. Make sure to persist counts locally and reconcile with server values so the number stays accurate across reinstalls and multiple devices. Finish by testing thoroughly. Run on real Android and iOS devices because emulators may not show badges. Implement logic to clear the badge when count reaches 0. Some platforms expect removal rather than a 0 value. Once stable, send badge values from your server in push payloads to keep devices in sync. If badges don't appear, make sure notification permission is granted, the correct entitlements and manifest flags exist, and debug using device logs to confirm API calls succeed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.